follow up with y'all on that ride with Mario. Yo, street life. Yo, I'm trying to stop cussing for the kid. Yo, he scared at one point I was like, yo, we going down this one street, but I know people be pulling out that street, the side streets at 80 minutes. I started pointing like, yo, that boy got wheeled. I ain't gonna lie, that was crazy. I ain't gonna lie, this scared the shit out of me, yo. What's good, street life? You already know it's your boy TJ with the plug. Hey, if you hear that chop in the background? Yeah, hey, that's that 800 horsepower swap 6.6 liter Chrysler 300. Hey, in today's Thanksgiving episode, because I am thankful for y'all. I am thankful for my subscribers. So I'm doing a quick ride along with Mario. I'm probably gonna get in trouble because I'm supposed to be at home cooking right now, but I had to get this content with Mario, street life. Hey, so check, hey, we gonna go ahead and get with Mario. Y'all here, hold on.
Yo, can you grab that hoodie, that beanie for me?
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
I didn't even see that, appreciate it. You gotta push it pretty hard. It'll go.
Okay. Hold on.
This is just fucking weird.
Push this right here?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. I just set my shit out, hold on. Here we go. Street light. I can't even, look. I'm setting off my alarm, here we go. Here we go. Why he get that? Look, y'all see, this a bully right here. It's a burnout bully right here. It's a pit boy right here.
Hell yeah. Let's go put some gas, bro.
Hell yeah.
We could go up to the Circle K.
Oh yeah, I'm not getting it. I got copyright. We vlogging. I'm vlogging. This Thanksgiving Day vlog.
Look at this, no power
Oh look,
steering,
y'all
bro.
see that? Look, see like,
No
look,
power steering.
this what he doing for y'all. No power
yeah.
steering, wrestling that steering wheel. Hold on to it. See like, good Lord.
They don't understand, man.
No, they don't.
They don't understand. How you been, man?
I've been awesome, man. Listen, street life. Y'all see this? The homie Mario. And y'all listen, y'all make sure y'all go to Instagram and go follow the homie Mario. AK Reckless. That's A _K _ Reckless. Yo, go follow the homie. And you'll see all the videos, all his clips on this dope ass Chrysler 300. Yo,
Hell yeah.
when I say this mug is loud, and I want to tell you, this is my first time in something with this much horsepower. I know I need this. I need this every day of my life. I need this.
Yeah, bro. Man, it gets me to work with a smile, bro. It gets me to work, and I don't even care that I'm at work.
Hell no, man, no.
I don't even care.
You be playing all the way there, man. Look. We got another Mopar across the street. Look.
Yeah, I see him.
Nah, he hear us chopping. That's stock. He don't want none. He chilling.
Nah, that's
Look.
pretty sick.
Oh, he tried to do a little something. Oh, he tried to chop on us. Oh, he tried to hit on us. Y'all see that street light? Hey, I ain't gonna lie right now. I'm loving EP. Yo, we got these Go Fast boys. At every moment in time, they see it as a Mopar, they want that smoke. Here we go, street light. Look at this. Yo, we hit the right there at about what? About 80?
70, 80.
Yo, we like this literally gliding over them hills, yo. Hey, this boy got wheels, man. That boy got wheels. Feel like y'all see this boy got wheels.
You know where we going?
Hey, we're going to that vinyl spot. Hell yeah, we're going to that vinyl spot. Street life, y'all see where we at? Look, y'all know we at that vinyl spot. We at that. This literally full circle. This where we
This place is special,
This
man.
where we linked up at. Street life. This where we linked up at. Y'all know that? Hey, street life, yo, I ain't gonna lie. Woo! Sorry. Stupid allergies, weather change and everything, fighting the cold. Sorry about that, street life. But anyway, street life, yo, great, yo. The boy got crazy wheel, and that was a crazy ride. Street life, that boy Mario got wheel, yo. That wheel. Let me see. What size? Up front, you got 270, 275, 40 R20s up front. What we got in the back? We got 295, 40 R20s. Y'all see that? Got some more meat in the back, man. He needed, hey, that boy got wheel, man. Hey.
And I got spaces on them to make it fit.
Oh, and you got spaces. Mm-hmm. Yo. Okay. Still like, this boy go, yo. Hey.
This is where it started.
Yeah, still life. And listen, y'all should remember this one. This is where it started. This is where that boy Mario. Yo, we got that video going on. I think we had 100K right now on Instagram with that clip. That one clip on Instagram. I need y'all to run it up more on YouTube though, yo. But look at this, man. The homie, listen, it's Thanksgiving. Me and the homie Mar, we working. We working for y'all. We giving y'all content. We giving y'all content on Thanksgiving. You ready to go? Cause we good. We put gas in. Cause check game. I'm supposed to be at home cooking right now.
Oh shit! I cooked yesterday, man.
Dude,
I could take care of that yesterday.
I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy something. We going to some friend's house. I'm gonna buy something. I might forget that mess, man. No, I ain't making nothing. I figured out. I found a way to go to some friend's house. I'm gonna buy some ice. I'm making some ice and some soda. I'm gonna buy some ice and some soda. Go to hey, you know, get everybody get some.
Hey,
I ain't cooking nothing.
To drink, bro.
Yeah, people are gonna need something to drink. Yeah, I used to always cook, but man, I don't have time for that right now, man. We're too busy. I'm too busy making and editing videos and doing everything else. Still like, here we go.
Be hard at work, bro.
All the time.
Check it out. Look, I'm all the way sitting back here, right?
Yeah.
Steering wheel's all the way up there, right?
Yeah.
Check me out. It brings it to me.
Ah, you got that memory in there.
Yeah.
It know his Mario's.
Cool. I think that's pretty cool.
That's cool. That's Mario's. And it's set for you.
Yeah,
hey,
pretty much.
she
Yeah.
know. Hey, she know who her owner is. It's like Christine. If anybody else get in, it ain't gonna do that. It's gonna kill you.
Hell yeah.
It's like Christine.
It's gonna explode.
Yeah.
It's gonna explode.
Yeah, it's just like the movie Christine. And Christine was a Chrysler. Christine was a Chrysler. Well, look at it. Hold on. We got that.
Come on.
Power.
No power steering.
That boy whipping.
Alright, look, we gonna do a little pull right here.
Oh,
I like this little street here. Look. You can
There we go.
you can see everything right there. You
Okay,
ready?
yeah. Like bad boys. Now that's how you drive, street life. Woo! We got all these NPCs. Gotta get out the way.
And we just circle back around.
Hey, that was a nice little pull. Hey, that was a good pull right there. Woo! And I love the fact you got everything in there. That's hard. Did you?
Yeah,
that was obviously something you put there.
Oil temp still not all the way up, but
that's hard. So
really good. Look,
that's obviously an upgrade. Is it only for Mopar?
It came with it.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
That's hard.
With it.
Always some look. Always somebody in here. Always somebody just damn officers want to pull out, yo.
Yeah, they always
do way too much. We ready for them though. We used to that.
Hey, go run.
We from the north side.
Go run. We'll go to Chaps real quick.
We go. We are Audi 5000, chick.
Oh look, that's another 300. Red one.
Hello there. Hello there. They're like, yo, that one don't sound like this one though.
Hell no. I'm gonna let this look through.
Gonna get a pull. Woo! Street life. That was amazing, yo.
Second. We got 115.
115. 115. Oh my goodness. Yo, street light. Okay, look, we going back to his crib now. Listen, I want to thank the homie Mario for getting us this Thanksgiving Day content because I'm thankful to y'all, street life. I'm thankful. Hey, I'm thankful to y'all, street life. I'm thankful to the homie Mario. The homie Mario really helped blow me up even on a local scene. I appreciate the homie, man. And listen, we finna go up together. As Street Life grow, the homie, y'all always gonna see the boy. Y'all always gonna see AK Reckless. Always. And y'all seen it here first. Street Life, you already know. Hey, like. Listen, if you already haven't subscribed, I don't know what you waiting on. But go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead. Oh, hold on. You gotta get this though. This nigga. He gotta wrestle that steering wheel.
Look. After that, smooth.
Now it's good. Pop back in. Listen, I need you to like, I need you to share. Again, I need you to subscribe, but share these big videos again. Only positive comments, everything like that. Again, Street Life. Y'all know we ain't going nowhere but up, baby. Your boy, the blood. Sky. Let's go. Street Life, your boy. Sky. Street Life. We finna get the cold start. Hey, wish me luck. I'm right behind. Y'all see a Street Life? Hey, it's a cold start. You already know the cold start on that 6.6 liter Chrysler 300. Hey, I don't know what might happen to me behind this exhaust. Oh God! Street Life, oh my goodness. That was a cold start. Your boy, the blood. Start! You can smell that. What's that? That good gas.
That 91.
Smell that 91. Smell that good gas. That's that good gas. Oh, we ain't smoking on no gas. That's that good gas. Woo! That's that big engine gas right there, boy. Just getting y'all a little. Street Life, did y'all hear that? Street Life, your boy, the blood, Scar Scar.